Good morning, my dear students. Today, day 14, part 1, and it is the last topic in the polynomials. Clear? Then, the last topic is division algorithm for polynomial. You already know how we can divide the polynomial, or you know the division process of the polynomial or algebraic division. Clear? Here we discuss as the same. Suppose let Px be a polynomial, and Gx be another polynomial. If Px is divided by Gx, then and Qx and Rx are quiescent and remainders respectively. Then division algorithm, Euclid division, then by Euclid division algorithm, here dividend is equal to divisor into quiescent plus remainder. Then here Px is equal to divisor means Gx and it is Qx and plus Rx. Now here we discuss about the Rx. Clear? Now here Rx is 0. Clear? Means if Rx is 0, then Gx is a factor of Px. And in other case, the degree of Rx is less than degree of Gx. Here two cases. If Rx is equal to 0, then if Rx is equal to 0, then Gx is the factor of the Px. And if degree of Rx is always less than degree of Gx. Suppose if in the Rx there is x to the power 1, then in Gx x square. Clear? Suppose it means suppose Rx is equal to 3x square plus 5. Then in degree of Gx 2x cube and something. Means degree of Rx is always less than degree of Gx, then our process is correct, otherwise it is incorrect. Then everyone aware. See here one more thing. which one is the dividend and which one is the, where is the dividend and where is the divisor. Then in this dividend divisor, quotient, remainder. Here it is gx, it is px, it is qx, and it is rx. Clear? Then this process is called the division algorithm for the polynomial. Now discuss with an example. Then here I think you have no doubt, degree of rx is less than degree of gx. Suppose in division algorithm for polynomials, px be a polynomial and gx is another polynomial. If px is divided by gx and qx and rx are the quotient, then remainders px and rx are quotient and remainder, means qx is the quotient and rx is the remainder, because here respectively are written. Then with the help of Euclid division algorithm, dividend divisor into quotient plus remainder, then you put all the value, means dividend is the px, divisor is the gx, quotient is the qx, and remainder is the rx. Now what condition for the rx? If you can divide, then it may be possible remainder be 0, then here rx be 0. Clear? Or remainder, you know that remainder is always less than divisor. Then here in the polynomial, the degree of remainder is always less than the degree of divisor. Clear? Then here degree of rx is less than degree of gx. If rx, then suppose if rx is 0, then gx is the factor. Now this is the process of division algorithm for the polynomial. Now we will discuss with an example. Suppose here x square plus 5x plus 6 is a polynomial and gx is equal to x plus 2. Then we check gx is the, we divide px by gx. Then we find rx and qx, means we can find, suppose in a question, if px is divided by gx, then find the quotient and remainder. Then you know that px is written in middle x square plus 5x plus 6 and here x plus 2. If you want to divide it, then first of all you can do it on rough. What we can do it on rough? Here you can mention first, because we don't know the table of x plus 2. Then we take first term from the dividend and first term from the divisor. Then here the first term from the dividend is plus x square and divisor is x. Now you know that if it is divided, then their powers are subtract, because the base are same and power are different. Then one power are cutted. Here x. Now in the quotient it is x. Now this x quotient is multiply whole divisor. Then here x square plus 2x. And you know that in the division process we subtract. And if you subtract the algebraic system, then you know that in the subtraction of algebra, we change the sign of subtrahend. Subtrahend means which are subtract from this. Clear? Now this x square plus 2x is the subtrahend. Then here plus sign, it is minus. Here plus, it is also minus. Now both have the like term, sign are different and their coefficient are same. Then they are subtract, they are cutted. And here plus 5x minus 2x, it is 3x. They are subtract because sign are different and they are like term, and put the greater number sign. Then we can put plus 3x and plus 6. Now our new dividend, first term of the new dividend is 3x. Here 3x upon and divisor is fixed. Then which sign? No one sign seen, that means there is plus 3. Then it is multiplied 3x, 3 into x, 3x plus into plus, 3 2 ja 6, and it is minus, there remainder be 0. Now here quotient qx is equal to x plus 3 and rx is equal to 0. You see our division algorithm for the polynomial, you know that rx be 0, then here rx is 0. It means x plus 2 is a factor of x square plus 5x plus 6. In the same question, if the gx is changed, suppose here gx is x plus 1, clear? Then what is impact of the question? Then see, if px is divided, then here x square plus 5x plus 6, and it is divided by x plus 1. Then same way here x square, it is x, you can write here qx also. Then x square plus 1 into x minus, both are cutted, it is 4x plus 6. Now plus 4x and plus 4 minus here 2. Then qx is equal to x plus 4 and rx is equal to 2. In our question, system division algorithm for the polynomial, you know that degree of rx is always less than degree of gx. Then here degree of rx, you can write x to the power 0 like this way. Then here degree of rx is 0 degree. It is called a constant polynomial. You know that the different type of the polynomial it is already discussed. And degree of gx is equal to 1 here, because the highest power of x is 1. Then you know that it means degree of rx is less than degree of gx. Satisfied? Then by this process you can solve it. In our book, suppose if you have x to the power 4 plus 5x plus 6 x cube plus 6x square plus 3x plus 2, and its two roots are given. Suppose its root 2 and 3 are its two root. Clear? Then first of all you can use the formula of the quadratic formula. It means if you have root, then how you can find their polynomial? Then you know that if its root alpha and beta, you know that if you have two root alpha and beta, then you can make polynomial x minus alpha and x minus beta. By this formula you can write k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. With the help of this formula you can find the polynomial. It means you can find the gx, and then after this px is divided by this gx, and you can get the qx and rx. Clear? By this way we can complete the polynomial. Now we can discuss another chapter which you want. Clear? Okay, thank you.